Welcome to Urban Eco Habits. Today we're diving into the wild and wacky world of zero-waste kitchen swaps. Get ready to laugh, learn, and transform your kitchen into a sustainable haven. Let's get started. First up, plastic wrap, the nemesis of leftovers everywhere. It sticks to everything except what you want it to. Let's swap it out for something way cooler. Beeswax wraps. Beeswax wraps are reusable, eco-friendly, and way less likely to stick to your face. Plus, they make your leftovers look like they're wrapped in honey magic. Next, the paper towel heist. You know, when you use half a roll for a tiny spill, let's ditch those paper towels for some stylish, reusable cloths. These bad boys are washable, reusable, and come in fun colors. Cleaning up messes has never been this fashionable. And who could forget the single-use spoon saga? They're flimsy, sad, and not very eco-friendly. Enter the hero of our story, the stainless steel spoon. Stainless steel utensils are durable, reusable, and give you that fancy restaurant feel right at home. Plus, they won't melt in your soup. Bonus! The jar jumble. Mismatched plastic containers with missing lids. Chaos! Time to bring in the big guns glass jars. Glass jars are perfect for storing everything from grains to leftovers. They're stylish, sustainable, and make you feel like you have your life together. Sort of. Finally, the coffee conundrum. Single-use coffee pods are convenient but terrible for the environment. Meet the reusable coffee pod, your new best friend. These little guys let you enjoy your coffee guilt-free. They're easy to use, save you money, and keep those single-use pods out of the landfill. Making these zero-waste swaps in your kitchen is easier than you think, and a lot more fun. Have you tried any of these swaps? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more sustainable living tips. Thanks for watching Urban Eco Habits.